Me and my dad would always draw together every day. He would always bring this big drawing book and 2 big pencils. We drew Scooby-Doo, we drew elephants. My dad had no hands, he lost them at 10 years old. He's one of the main reasons why I keep drawing. I don't think I'm ever gonna stop. I started taking it seriously like around high school because I downloaded Adobe for the first time. Those days I sat in the basement and I was just like practicing and I was like, I'm getting good. And I still think about that 10 years later.
My name is Janine Sproul. I am the founder and CEO of Little Filmmakers. I started doing the work of teaching kids when I was in my last year at Temple. I was really interested in like community storytelling. So I volunteered and I ended up working with 4th and 5th graders. How to set the camera up, blocking when it comes to acting, screenwriting, storytelling. And then they had like a little video that they shot. So slowly but surely I started to realize I could turn this into something. We ended up incorporating into a nonprofit in 2009.
Oh, you definitely, yeah. You gotta know your cause and then develop your fees off of your cause.
I needed this place to be home for people. And not just our kids, like community members, anybody that wanted to come in and take advantage of just being in a space where creativity and gathering is the goal.
College, high school, dad dying. Before Little Filmmakers, I was just kind of like, just trying to figure it out. And I met Janine. I was like 16. I applied for a summer program. I literally had to get out of my comfort zone, like not encouraged, forced. I had to talk to clients, communication, back and forth. Once I turned 18, she just put me in internships, programs, and just giving me opportunities left and right.
Jonah is one of my favorite people. He's such a sweetheart. He's really refined his skills. Like we're super, super proud of him. I love the word holistic, right? You got to deal with the whole person. So we do a lot of social emotional learning. When a young person starts to understand their emotions, they learn how to regulate them. They grow their confidence. They start to be accountable for their behavior. When something scares them, they're able to push through their fear. And all of it's because they're starting to learn who they are on the inside. Every young person that comes through Little Filmmakers don't necessarily become a director, but they end up going into jobs that require their creativity. It requires a certain level of discipline.
2, 1.
It's transferable. I think that's the secret sauce to Little Filmmakers. We're making the next generation of storytellers, but we're starting with the inside.
Being able to pick up those skills and adapt it to like everything that I do now, it's a blessing to me. I always want to be better, add new ideas, add new perspectives to everything I do.
What would you say to him about who you're becoming?
Everybody always says that I look like you. I just hope that wherever I'm going, you're proud, wherever you are.